Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the Shots of Life kit. The Shots of Life comes out every other month, so this is November, December's of 2023, so this is the last Shots of Life kit for the year. This kit's geared around pocket page scrapbooking, but it is perfect for planners, memory keepers, traveler's notebooks, even the memory decks, cards, just lots of options. It also coordinates with our flavors of the month, so it's a perfect add-on to get more pattern paper and more embellishments for that kit. So let's dig in and we're going to take a closer look at everything that you're going to receive in this month's kit. First, we're going to look at the papers. So we're going to look at the Fancy Pants Enchanted Garden first, and this is 6 of the sheets from the 6x8 paper pad. So you can cut these down to fit in your pocket page scrapbookers or in your traveler notebooks or anything that I mentioned earlier. We have this beautiful floral. The back is this square design made out of circles in the green. We have another floral with stems on that peachy pink background, and then a large floral on that dark blue-green background. We have another large floral print. This one's more of a dark navy blue to black. And the back is another design made in diamonds with those circles on the gold. We have a red and black buffalo check. Fall foliage on this beautiful kind of green gray. It's gorgeous. A geometric print. The back has gourds and pumpkins. And then we have this blue with the crosses, and again another geometric design made out of shapes, which is really neat. And then we have an icon paper that has the little woodland creatures, and butterflies and books and feathers. So many cute little things going on with that collection. So that's the 6x8 paper for that. And I'm going to move it out of the way for a moment so we can go to our 12x12, and then I'll get to this one last. So for the Bella Boulevard One Fall Day, you're going to get this paper called Daily Details, and it has cut-aparts, and you can see there's a 4x6, some 3x4s, and then some 2x2s, and then some of these that are I would guess 2x4. Super cute. The back is an orange polka dot. From Photo Play Paper, Autumn Vibes, we have this paper called Autumn Rocks, and it's 3x4 and 2 4x6 cards. The back is a striped with all of those designs. Simple Stories, What's Cookin'? We have the 3x4 cut-apart sheet. Just love the colors in this collection. Turkey Gravy, Beans and Rolls. Let me see that casserole. That is super cute. Happiness is a kitchen full of family and friends, which I agree. The back is a pink diagonal plaid print. From Carta Bella, Peaceful Christmas Floral. We have the 3x4 cut-aparts. Another gorgeous Christmas collection with the gorgeous colors, the pink and kind of that light green and then the blue-green. The back is a Christmas tree on pink. We have Pink Fresh Holiday Dreams, which is another cut-apart sheet. We have some smaller sizes here, square, 3x4s and 4x6. So you could leave these in a square or cut these apart. You could fussy cut them for embellishments. And then we have a gray check. From Simple Stories, the Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season collection, we have the 4x6 cut apart. And these have some that go vertical and some that go horizontal. Another gorgeous collection. I love the little reindeer here. And everything for that, if you're doing a pocket page, that is just completely done for you. They've done all the layering and stuff. It's gorgeous. And then we have a Christmas plaid on the back. So I'll give you one more look at all of those papers. Then we have another 6x8 collection. This is 49th and Market Christmas Spectacular. So you're going to get, I believe it was 7 sheets. Yeah, so I have 7 sheets of this. And if you've not had 49th and Market, this is extremely heavyweight it's thicker than most cardstock. So you can hear that. And it's also another company that does layering and stuff for you. Just gorgeous. This has ledgers and tickets and, you know, the greenery and Santa Claus, so much. And the back is like a mixed media, and then there's stamping with Christmas words. This one's like little postage sized prints, super cute. Again, you can kind of fussy cut some of those if you want to tuck in or use it all together. The back is a red canvas type print. Then we have this mixed media one that has like the grid, some text, a green wash, and then some holly and berry. The back is a black. I have another one with the mixed media, and the back is a candy cane with just that vintage vibe. This would go well with the Simple Stories vintage collection. Another mixed media, and then they've layered all of this off to the side for you. So that's awesome. A Christmas plaid on the back. Another one with the poinsettias and holly on one side. Green print on the back, some stripes with distressing, and there's text as well. And the back is this piece that you could cut apart. So we have a bingo card, some tickets. Over here we have a letter, a music sheet, tickets up here, and then some Christmas gifts and holly and poinsettias, all these little bits and bobs that you could cut apart for your embellishments. So one more look at that 6x8 piece. So that's all of your paper that you're going to receive in the Shots of Life. And now we're going to take a look at the embellishments. For the embellishments, you're going to get a load of different things to create with. Starting, let's go over here. For the Photo Play paper Autumn Vibes, you're going to get this die sheet. So they do have coordinating dies if you want those, or you can simply fussy cut them. This is just gorgeous. These are perfect, I think, to make cards with, because you get multiple ones. So you have, and then you have also the little greetings here. So use your scraps up to make a few greeting cards and send off to friends and family. For the Fancy Pants Enchanted Garden, you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera. So these will vary, but this is what I got. A little garland, some of the little woodland creatures and the gourds and the pumpkins. Super cute. For Bella Boulevard, you're going to get one of the Bella Pops. Then the Simple Stories What's Cookin' collection, you'll get one of the washi tapes. So these will vary. I got a really pretty wood grain. And then on to our December portion. For the 49th and Market, you're going to get some of these enamel dots, epoxies. They call them little baubles, which I am just in love with. Candy canes, poinsettias, and then all of the patterns and shapes. You're also going to get some Echo Park enamel dots. So that's a half a package of those. For the Pink Fresh collection, you're going to get some of the puffy stickers. So these will vary, but this was the portion that I got in mine. So you'll get something similar. And then for the Simple Story Simple Vintage collection, you're going to get a package of the page pieces. So this is everything that you'll get in it, and then a little example if you want to follow their instructions and make a double page layout, something like that. Whoops, I left a star in there. But this is all of the pieces, so everybody will get the same on these. Love the farm truck. That is a look at all of the embellishments. One more look at your Shots of Life kit. Be sure to check out these other reveal videos. I'm linking the Flavors of the Month because it coordinates with this, and I'll also include the add-ons for the Flavors of the Month. So if you want more cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments to coordinate with the Shots of Life, you can look at it and the Flavors of the Month. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.